If you've ever looked at Brother Sergers and thought, why are there so many, and which one is actually right for me? This video is for you. Brother makes some of the most popular home sergers in the US, but they're not all built for the same kind of sewist. Some are budget legends, some are heavy-duty workhorses, and one of them feels like cheating because it makes threading ridiculously easy. Today, I'm ranking the best Brother sergers from 5 to 1, starting with the most basic and ending with the most advanced. This is not about price alone, it's about who each machine is really for and what kind of sewing life it fits into. Number 5. Brother 1034DX. At number 5, we have the Brother 1034DX. And if this machine feels familiar, that's because it's basically the modernized sibling of one of the most famous sergers ever made. The 1034DX is a 3 or 4 thread mechanical serger with a metal frame, differential feed, and a top speed of 1,300 stitches per minute. It's built to do the basics really well, finishing seams, sewing knits, making garments look clean and professional. What makes the 1034DX stand out over the older models is usability. You get LED lighting, a trim trap, a slide-out lower looper that genuinely makes threading easier, and tension that releases automatically when you lift the presser foot. It's still manual threading, no air, no magic, but Brother clearly tried to reduce frustration here. That said, this is still a learning curve machine. Needle threading is tight, tension tuning takes practice, and you'll need to oil it regularly. It's not quiet, and it's not fancy. But for beginners who want real surging power without spending much, the 1034DX delivers serious value. It earns its spot here because it's reliable, affordable, and teaches you how a serger really works. Number 4. Brother 1034D. Just above it is the Brother 1034D. And honestly, this machine is a legend for a reason. This is the serger that introduced thousands of people to overlocking. It's a 3/4 thread serger, metal frame, differential feed, free arm, retractable knife, and again, 1,300 stitches per minute. What keeps the 1034D relevant after all these years is consistency. People buy it, learn on it, and then keep using it for 10, 15, even 30 years. It handles knits, wovens, denim, silks not perfectly, but reliably. The color-coded threading system is simple, and there are endless tutorials online because so many people own one. The downsides are exactly what you'd expect at this level. It's loud, it needs oiling, it's manual threading only, and the plastic exterior can feel a bit flimsy, even though the inside is solid. But if someone asks, what's the safest beginner serger I can buy, this is still one of the most honest answers. Number 3. Brother ST4031HD. Now we step into a very different category with the Brother ST4031HD, also known as the Strong and Tough Serger. This machine is built for people who actually punish their equipment. Canvas, towels, multiple layers of denim, thick knits. This is where the ST4031HD shines. It's a 3 or 4 thread serger with a full metal frame, a carbon steel industrial grade blade, a metal thread stand, and excellent stability at high speeds. It still hits 1,300 stitches per minute, but what matters more is how confidently it does it. This machine doesn't hesitate when fabric gets bulky. The wide extension table and included trim trap make a big difference when working on heavier or awkward projects. Threading is still manual, but the lower looper is especially easy to access, which many longtime serger users appreciate. One thing to know, this machine needs oiling to stay quiet. When it's dry, it gets noisy. When it's maintained, it runs smoothly. If the 1034D is the beginner workhorse, the ST4031HD is the muscle version. It's for sewists who know they need strength more than convenience. Number 2. Brother 2340CV Cover Stitch Machine. At number 2, we're switching gears completely with the Brother 2340CV because this is not an overlock serger. This is a dedicated cover stitch machine, and it exists for one reason: professional knit hems. The 2340CV creates those clean double or triple rows of stitching you see on store-bought t-shirts, leggings, and activewear. It offers single chain stitch, double needle cover stitch in 3mm or 6mm, and triple cover stitch with a differential feed range of 0.7 to 2.0 and a top speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. Threading is surprisingly friendly, especially if you've already used a serger. There's only one looper thread, and the rest are needle threads. Stitch quality is excellent, especially on knits, and once you dial it in, it produces durable hems that don't pop when stretched. The drawbacks are very specific. There's no free arm, which makes sleeves and leggings more awkward. Releasing the fabric at the end of a seam requires a multi-finger maneuver that people either tolerate or hate. And the triple stitch, while impressive, uses a lot of thread and isn't something most users rely on. Still, if you sew knits regularly, this machine can completely change how your garments look and feel. It earns number 2 because it does one job extremely well, even if it's not a job everyone needs. Number 1. Brother Air 1800. And finally, at number 1, the Brother AIR 1800. The serger that makes people say, wait. That's it? The first time they thread it. The AIR 1800 uses jet air technology to thread the loopers. You press a button, and a blast of air sends the thread straight through. No tweezers, no fishing, no frustration. If you've ever avoided changing thread colors because of threading alone, this machine changes everything. It's a 2, 3, or 4 thread serger, capable of flatlock, overlock, and roll-em stitches, with 1,300 stitches per minute, adjustable stitch length and width, differential feed from 0.7 to 2.0, quick change rolled hem levers, and an external knife lock. It's excellent on fine knits and stretchy fabrics, where stitch balance really matters. The AIR 1800 also includes safety sensors and an LED error indicator, so it won't run if covers are open or the presser foot is raised. The lighting is bright, the machine feels solid, and when everything works as intended, it's genuinely a joy to use. That said, this machine has one clear weakness. Quality control can be inconsistent. Some users report air threading failures early on, and while there is a manual workaround, the air system is the main reason people buy this machine. When it works, it's fantastic. When it doesn't, it's frustrating. Even with that risk, the AIR 1800 earns the top spot because nothing else in Brothers' lineup offers this level of convenience combined with strong stitch quality. For many sewists, it's the upgrade that makes them actually enjoy using a serger. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the best Brothers sergers ranked from 5 to 1. The right choice depends entirely on what you sew, how often you sew, and how much patience you have for threading and tuning. There's no bad machine here, just very different personalities. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more sewing machine guides, and let me know in the comments which Brother serger you're using or which one you're thinking about upgrading to. Happy sewing!